everyone, this is Meera Vijay Pense and let's see what the month of October 2020 brings in for the sun sign Sagittarius. For Sagittarians, this month is going to be all about feeling very trapped. You might feel that there is a lot you want to say, there's a lot you want to do, but somehow external situations and circumstances will actually work in such a way that you will have no other option but to just bear with what is happening in your life. Now you have to actually think on whether it is actually that it is happening or you yourself are responsible for feeling that way. The cards say that many a times what happens is you have a tendency, or particularly for the month of October 2020, you might think that there are external circumstances that are stopping you from doing the things that you wish to do. But actually, in reality, it is your own doing physically or mentally that is going to stop you and refrain you from doing the things that you actually want to do in your life. It is more to do with the way that you think, the way that you operate, especially on an attitude level, on a mental level, that is going to cause the external situations, which in turn will make you feel more trapped and claustrophobic in a manner. So this month is a month where you will have to literally think about, or let's say revisit, rethink and rework on your attitudes, on your values and your belief system. Moving on to the space of work. This month you might be sincerely thinking of literally quitting your job. This is because it's been quite some time that you might think that your work life has become so stressful that it has literally put you off your balance in your personal life especially, and you would be wanting to put that back in place, but somehow in spite of making efforts, you will observe that the work stress and pressure is increased so greatly that it is throwing off your work and life balance, and you might feel very trapped. Again, you will not be able to do something about it, and due to which you might actually think of quitting your job. Now, before you make that move or before you take that step, it is very necessary to evaluate, as in, is it the external circumstances at work which is making you take this decision, or is it your limited attitude towards the work pressure at work which is actually making you think that way? So the cards suggest that if you could probably think of new ideas of tackling with the same situation, think in a different manner, I think the problem will be at least less in intensity, if not resolved. It will make a major difference to your working style at your workspace. So for this month, instead of actually going ahead and making that decision of quitting or resigning from your job, see to it that is there a possibility that you can probably change your approach towards your work so that your workspace and the working style and the result becomes much more easier, smoother and balanced for you. Look at your attitudes, look at your beliefs and work on them before you finally come down to resigning from your job at the end of this month. Financially, it is going to be a very beautiful month for the Sagittarians. If in case you are under some kind of a debt, if in case you have taken a loan or a huge loan for, let's say, a property or a car or something of that stuff which is very high in value, this month will see that you will either finish off your loans or you will be completely free from any kind of a bigger financial responsibility or the financial pressure that you must have been or could have been up till now. So yes, October 2020 brings in that very big financial relief. You might feel very relieved of your financial burdens and responsibilities. However, take in this happiness, feel happy and do not take any extra financial burden or yet another financial responsibility, at least till the October 2020 does not end. Moving on to the matters of relationship. Now, relationships is the area where Sagittarians could get very stressed, particularly for the month of October 2020. So the thing is, because of your certain limited and very set mindsets, you will have observed that your relationships must have gone a little bitter. Your partner must have either conveyed to you, or you must have conveyed it to your partner, that probably the relationship is not working, you're not happy, and that probably it's time that you reconsider or consider whether this should be continued or this should probably not continue. Before even starting off this conversation with your partner, again, the card asks you to evaluate the situation, particularly from your end. Evaluate if you're being unnecessarily stubborn about a certain particular topic or a situation, which, if thought in another way, can actually yield better results. So, before coming down to this decision, or before coming down to a harsh decision, the cards ask you to re-evaluate and rethink and consider if accepting a different attitude or an approach could actually bring some positive changes to this relationship. If not, by the end of October 2020, you could then very well execute your decision. Coming down to the health department, so all these tensions throughout the month is going to make you feel very, very uncomfortable, and especially on a physical level. So you might get very, very restless, you might get very, very cranky, agitated than usual for this particular entire month. See to it that health wise, because of the stress and the anger and because of feeling claustrophobic, you don't drain yourself unnecessarily physically. Technically, there are no problems, but there could be stress issues, there could be anxiety related issues, you may be having sleepless nights, you might not be able to sleep properly. So see to it that rather than blaming the external circumstances, this is a month for you to go into a mode of self-introspection and evaluation, and see and check if something different could be done about the situation or the way you look at the situation. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a very, very happy, blessed month ahead.